Good morning, Mark here from Mark's Garage. Hoping you all are having a wonderful day today. Today we're back with another video, doing some RC51 goodness today. So got the 03 and the 04 both out this morning. Went for a quick ride. Got some mileage on them. Had a couple of updates on the 04 Nicky Hayden I wanted to share with you guys, and kind of get into that real quick here, and then we're just going to do a quick walk around on a couple bikes and just show you all some cool video of the RC51s. So last week I was able to get a shipment in from Tyga, and I got a Taiga rear hugger for the Nicky, and then a Taiga Top Clamp that I'm going to show you guys here. So you'll see the rear hugger there. It's really nice, tucked away. This is the smaller version of the hugger that Tyga makes. I've also got it on my 03, as you guys will see over there again in a second. It looks great. I was thinking about taking this hugger and matting it out just to go with some matte carbon on this bike. But then I think I would have to the only other real carbon I got on it is the heel guards for those TSR rear sets. And I would probably have to mat those rear set heel guards as well if I did that. But all in all, Tyga makes a great product. I think they're very, very underrated for what they are. In other communities like the NSR community, they've got a really big following for two-stroke Honda bikes, and they do make a lot of great stuff for the RC51s as well too. All right, the other part that I added was the Taiga Top Clamp. So the top clamp on Budget Nicky was really showing the worst for wear. So it'd been, like I said, this bike had been stored outside for many years, and the top clamp was almost completely faded, almost a silver color rather than the black it should be. I had plenty of chips and stuff from the key rings and stuff like that that were used on it, and I bought this Taiga top clamp. Now you can take and remove the ignition switch mount if you'd like and run it without ignition switch, and I had actually thought of that, but kind of the trick to that right now is to run the ignition through the actual stop switch of the bike. And with this being a street bike and running headlights and everything like that, I was a little concerned that that might be too much current draw going through that switch there, even though these are aftermarket switches. I didn't want to really mess anything up, and these bikes are ridden sometimes and left out in public, and I didn't want to go keyless on this, so I kept the key switch. Originally I bought this top clamp with intention of using it on my 03 over here. My 03 has a lot of Tyga parts on it. It has a tail section Tyga, rear sets that are Tyga, front fender Tyga, rear hugger Tyga, gas cap Tyga, preload adjusters, which I know I'll get some flack for, Tyga. So a lot of Tyga stuff was in the theme on this bike from originally for the build. So I originally bought the top clamp for this bike, but as you can see, the top clamp on this is in really, really good shape, and then covered up by a Scotch damper as well too. So I believe the Tyga would actually fit under it if you wanted to run that Tyga top clamp underneath a damper. But I just figured I needed one on the other bike, and you really wouldn't see it as well on this bike, and I wasn't about to take the damper off. So the Nicky got the Tyga top clamp, and like I said, I needed to get a hugger for it as well. I was running it without a hugger, and it just didn't look right to me, so went with that. That's the two updates. Now I got some Mra Windscreens on order for both of these bikes. I've got a clear one coming for Budget Nicky. This is just a cheap Chinese windscreen, but although it does look pretty good, and it's a double bubble profile. I put the OEM Honda decal on there and found some Kentucky Kid stickers to kind of adorn it. And on this one, I've got just another, I think it's a cheap just Chinese double bubble that was on the bike when I got it. So I've ordered a light smoke Mra windscreen for this bike and a clear one for the 04. Now they are currently on back order. I'm guessing Mra builds these on on allocation. So I'm following along with the back order on that closely, and hopefully I'll get them sometime within the next couple of months. Who knows? So, well, there you have it. There's a quick video of the two RC51s out in all their glory in the driveway. Did take them on a quick ride. As I said, I appreciate you guys watching my videos, liking and clicking and subscribing if you'd like more content on the RC51s, the ZX10s, and then the Panigale V4. Great day.